Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb board and make a turn anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To replace the H4 bulb on the dipped and high beams, remove the electric supply terminal of the bulb by pulling on it. Remove the rubber cover, which is around the bulb. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the left. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, you must carefully check you put it in the right way round. Depending on the model, find the location of the keyed connection. As you insert it, you must hold it with one finger while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Put the rubber cover back and reconnect the power connection. The parking light is located on the lower left of the H4 bulb. Take the brown power terminal and turn it 1/4 to the left and pull upwards, making small back and forth movements. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new bulb into the base, then insert everything into the lights and turn 1/4 turn to the right. Operation completed.